How to fix YouTube app stuck on loading on iPhone. Is your YouTube app stuck loading forever? Here's what you can do. Swipe up from the bottom and close the app completely. Then open it again. If you're using a VPN, close it. It might interfere with YouTube servers. Just normal internet works fine. Rarely, the issue might be on Apple's or YouTube's end. Check if YouTube is having server problems. And with that, the YouTube app should load normally. Just open the app and start refreshing. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.